If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Please follow us on Facebook. Nokia 6 smartphone was launched in January 2017. This smartphone comes with 5.5-inch touchscreen display 20 pixels at a PPI of 403 pixels per inch. Nokia 6 price in India begins from 50 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor, and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. They extended up to 128 GB using a microSD card. Nokia 6 packs a 16 megapixel camera. Nokia 6 runs Android 7.1.1 version and is powered with the aid of 3000 mAh non-detached 67 grams. Nokia 6 is a twin SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity C, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on this mobile include compass magnetometer, sensor and gyroscope. Nokia 6 smartphone was launched in January 2017. This smartphone comes with 5.5-inch touchscreen display 20 pixels at a PPI of 403 pixels per inch. Nokia 6 price in India begins from 50 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor, and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. They extended up to 128 GB using a microSD card. Nokia 6 packs a 16 megapixel camera. Nokia 6 runs Android 7.1.1 version and is powered with the aid of 3000 mAh non-detached 67 grams. Nokia 6 is a twin SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity C, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on this mobile include compass magnetometer, sensor and gyroscope. Nokia 8 was released in August 2017. This smartphone comes with a 5.30-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 554 pixels. Nokia 8 is powered by means of 1.8 GHz octa-middle Qualcomm Snapdragon 8. Nokia 8 has a 64 GB internal storage and that can be expanded up to 256 GB through a microSD card on the rear, and a 13 megapixel front shooter for selfies. Nokia 8 runs Android 7.1.1 version and is battery. The weight of this mobile is 160 grams. Nokia 8 is a dual SIM. This smartphone accepts Bluetooth, NFC, USB, 3G and 4G. Sensors of this mobile are magnetoscope and barometer. Nokia 8 was released in August 2017. This smartphone comes with a 5.30-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 554 pixels. Nokia 8 is powered by means of 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8. Nokia 8 has a 64 GB internal storage and that can be expanded up to 256 GB through a microSD card on the rear and a 13 megapixel front shooter for selfies. Nokia 8 runs Android 7.1.1 version and is battery. The weight of this mobile is 160 grams. Nokia 8 is a dual SIM. This smartphone accepts Bluetooth, NFC, USB, 3G and 4G. Sensors of this mobile are magnetoscope and barometer.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Please follow us on Facebook.